Congratulations on choosing Fielders Fencing. Today, we're going to show you how easy the Fielders fencing system is to install. Firstly, we'll show you post installation. This will be followed by how to install a Fielders TL5 Panel Fence. And finally, how to complete the process with post caps. Use a string line to ensure proposed fence line is straight. Measure and mark post positions at 2,370 mm intervals or 2,410 mm if installing S-rib corrugated. Dig holes to a recommended minimum depth of 500 mm and a hole diameter of 200 mm wide. Unpack posts and place back to back. Attach posts back to back using 10 by 16 Tech screws spaced approximately 500 mm apart. If additional reinforcement is required or to turn a corner, install an SHS post to the back of your panel fence post. Measure and mark 1800 mm from the top of the post. Place post in hole, ensuring post is both straight and level, and your 1800 mm mark has 50 mm ground clearance. Use a rail to space the posts correctly. Pour concrete and recheck the post levels and wait to set. Once first post is concreted, install bottom rail in line with the 1800 mm mark. Ensure it is level. Tech screw in place, allowing for 50 mm ground clearance. Continue for the length of the fence. Before installing any panels, ensure the concrete has set. Now you're ready to install the fencing panels. Place first sheet into bottom rail and side post channel. Ensure second sheet overlaps the lip of the first sheet. The third sheet is to once again overlap the second sheet. Lock third sheet into both the side and bottom channels. Ensure lap direction is identical for all panels. To secure the top rail, start at one end and lock sheets in place. Once fixed, Tech screw all four corners into the post. Clip on panel fence post caps to all exposed post joins as shown. End joins will need to be cut to size. Your fence is now complete. But should you need any further information, please refer to www.fielders.com.au, where you can download a PDF of the installation guide.